Kỳ bạch bạn nông thép bột cả Shillong Parliamentary Constituency kinh hạp ban Jied Biang yo MP shall ka Lok Sabha hadin ke jingklat kendit no MP Dr. Ricky Ejesengkon. Chief Electoral Officer ka Jela Dr. Tiwari ulaong bakat kum ke kendon yak election sitang samoy hap ban pelong Hapoh Hanru Bnai kebamut badewan pelong suau naila ajal punreu. Habekran mentakasngi Dr. Tiwari ulaong ba basa menta kalong badang up ya kajing penbena na ke Election Commission of India ne ECI halokan ni wala kajing penkre ka ya kumbajulong ban pentikna bak election kan long ke ya renti hakajuk kapol ong baka special intensive revision ban pentema ya kinong tebut country kam habrok kawe kari bar kajing penkre kadang ya bat tang suyo ya kajing betha na ke tenat Election Commission of India na kejelaro kin saya chikamat ban pentrikam ya ka SIR.
Thus, it is the privilege of Honorable Election Commission of India once they announce. So, but it will be soon because the timeline is already there. So, whenever they give the schedule, we will go ahead for the entire process. This unfortunate demise of our Honorable MP from the Shillong Parliamentary Constituency, as per the mandate within 6 months parliamentary elections, by-election in this constituency also have to be conducted. So, CO office and this entire election team, we are starting our preparation, and any time, as per the schedule, as and when election commission will announce, so we will be ready to conduct this by-election also. Verify the existing voter list and then duplicate voters. There might be people having the name in some cases more than one places, some died people, some other. So these duplicacy and repeated names are being deleted, and the verification of the all voters also being done in that process. So I will not comment, but it has been proven there was no appeal or this complaint has been at the grassroots level been filed when the Bihar SIR happened. And if you see the other states also, wherever SIR process is happening, it is happening very smoothly. Reason is already Election Commission of India has instructed for the rest of the country, as in first phase after Bihar and 12 other states. The rest of the state also have this special intensive revision have to happen. So it will be happen in all the state, and they have just instructed for the preparatory work. All states are fully prepared for forthcoming SIR exercise. So whatever schedule will be finally decided, we will